simple lang ang question. Dapat bang bumoto ang senador kung hindi siya sumipot? Sa aking palagay, hindi dapat. Kung talagang importante siya makaboto, dumating ka sa Senado.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. President. Next question.
Sir, there are also concerns na because of the series of cases filed to that some of the senators that are part of the majority bloc, well, including Senator Amy, she said that, well, maybe the majority 13 is being targeted. Are they
Is being?
targeted? So
Look.
are they?
Almost a year ago, ang sinabi ko sa taong bayan, kailangan malaman ng buong taong bayan ang katotohanan. At nung kami ay pinag-aaralan ng Ombudsman, ng Department of Justice, lahat ng mga aligasyon na dumating dahil sa flood control, maraming nagsasabi, bakit wala pang nangyayari? Bakit wala pang nangyayari? Bakit ang tagal ninyo? Namimili lang yata kayo kung sino yung i-prosecute ninyo. Ngayon, nandito na. At dahan-dahan lumalabas na ang katotohanan. At dahan-dahan na. At ang pinakamaganda, kung talagang may kaso, kung sila ba naman ay walang ginawang mali, ay lalabas naman yan sa pagsusuri ng paghusga. At kaya naman, eto na yung mga ang hinihingi sa amin ng tao. Alamin nyo, ilabas ninyo lahat ng katotohanan. Ito ang aking ngayong ginagawa. Hindi pa tapos ito. Patuloy pa ang investigasyon, patuloy pa ang mga pag-imbestiga at pag-aaral at sa intelligence and information gathering tungkol sa mga iba't ibang aligasyon kung kani-kanino pa. Hindi ko alam kung paano napunta na sinasabi na yung majority ngayon ang tinatarget. Dahil kung tutusin ninyo, hindi sila majority noon. So, that does not apply. It was because of the allegations that were made and the investigations that were conducted upon learning of those allegations against kung sino man. And kung ano man ang naging alignment sa Senado, walang kinalaman yun. Ito pa rin ang mga tao na lumabas ang mga pangalan doon sa, kung titignan ninyo, ano ang kung saan pinagbabasihan lahat itong mga ito, ay doon sa testimonya sa Blue Ribbon Committee. Doon naman lumabas lahat ito. So, binigay ng Blue Ribbon Committee sa Ombudsman at sa DOJ ang mga findings nila, itong naging resulta ngayon. So, it has nothing to do with the alignment. Kung magbago yan, the alignment is different again tomorrow. Hindi, I'm not saying it will be. But if the alignments are different again in terms of the majority, paano mo sasabihin pag nagbago na naman yan? So, walang kinalaman yung majority, minority sa Senado. Ito ang dahil sa resulta ng mga investigasyon ng Blue Ribbon Committee at ang iba't ibang ahensya ng pamahalaan.
Thank you, Mr. President.
Thank you.
The next question from Alexis Romero, Philippine Star.
Good afternoon, Mr. President.
Good
As a
afternoon.
former senator, what are your thoughts on the proposal to amend the Senate rules to allow online voting?
All right. As a former senator, I suppose I'm reasonably qualified. I disagree with that. I understand that we had to do it in COVID because there was a health risk. But I do not see any particularly good reason for us to allow it now. It seems to only be applicable to Senator Bato para makaboto si Senator Bato dahil nagtatago siya. Now, for someone who is actually a fugitive from justice, na hinahanap ng pulis, na hinahanap ng Interpol, at may arrest warrant galing sa ICC, palagay ko, hindi siya dapat magbumoto. Hanggat dumating siya dun sa Senado. Kung he's willing to take the risk like he did the last time, ibang usapan yun. Basta't nandyan siya. So, it has been the long-standing tradition of the Senate is that if you are not physically present on the floor when a vote is taken, that you cannot in fact vote. Again, COVID gave us a different outlook in terms because we were concerned about health and safety at that point. We do not have those concerns now about health and safety.
Okay, follow up lang, Mr. President. You touched on it slightly na, but I will ask it anyway. There are notions that the electronic voting will enable senators facing charges to evade accountability or even arrest. Do you share the same concern?
I never really thought about it in those terms. Ang para sa akin is that simple lang ang question. Dapat bang bumoto ang senador kung hindi siya sumipot? Sa akin palagay, hindi dapat. Kung talagang importante siya makaboto, dumating ka sa Senado.
Thank you, Mr. President. Next question.